Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we will explore how to effectively utilize the attendance feature, particularly the check-in and check-out functionalities within our ERP system. To begin, we will start by adding a new employee to the system. This involves entering employee details, ensuring that we capture all the relevant information during the creation process. Once the employee profile is set up, the next step is to establish a shift assignment. Here we can define the shift type and specifying the start and end times for each employee. This configuration can be managed at the administrative level. Now let's log in as employees using the employee check-in document form. Employees can easily check in for work. They simply select their name and indicate their check-in status, providing necessary details. Once saved, the employee attendance for the day is recorded. Similarly, employees can also check out using the same process, ensuring that their attendance records are accurately managed. By following these steps, both administrators and employees can effectively manage attendance within the ERP system for efficient operations.